Alright, boom. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, but on the screen. Yeah, the court just updated their website. Squash 6 boss lawyers put in their motions, basically asking the judge to suppress the evidence. And as you can see right there, Squash is praying that they do. Putting in the comment section where you think about that, because he claims that his arrest was illegal and his property was seized and searched illegally. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read out these new documents because they're basically going over what the feds put in last. But what's interesting, they're claiming that the government of Jamaica would have to come testify in court to prove that Squash is indeed a gang member. You know what I mean? Because, you know, his crimes in Jamaica have nothing to do with this one particularly. You know what I mean? He is also being questioned for, you know, the Lauderhill murder with you know, J-Man. You see, man, some people, it's not a good look. You know, they're using all of these video footages from his music videos as evidence as well. Because we can see why they're trying to get this thing thrown out, because, you know, the plea deal deadline is in like a week. And if you don't accept, you know, it's going to go to trial. And if he's found guilty on all of them things, yeah, a life in my face, isn't it? So, you know, that's why they're trying to get this gang thing off of him, because it don't look good when he might go in a court with these gang titles, transitional, all of these things. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read all these documents. You can press pause and read them yourself, but just to let you know what time it is. It's a mass putting in the comment section if he should take the plea or risk taking it to trial, because I'm not going to tell you no lie, the feds are licking with all type of law, because they need these evidence to prove that he has a history of boom, 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 boom. Anyway, let's proceed to the next Jamaican that's in, you know, prison.
Big up KingMixUp, you don't know there. Yeah.
Yes, people, it's not a good look for Sean Kingston. The judge said him cannot do his time on house arrest, because, you know, that's what he wanted to do, because he said he's paying back, you know, the victims this $1 million him and their mom, you know, stole from over the years. He said, you know, she is doing some time as well. I think 5 or 10 years, one of the two. But she's asking, you know, the court not to deport her back to Jamaica. You feel me? I'm not going to lie to you people. Sean Kingston is a big man. So as a big man, him know him do wrong. You feel me? But I'm not going to lie to you. He shouldn't have to be put in this position to keep up to the Jones, because him have a whole heap of hit songs. You know what I mean? But, you know, when you're a child and your parents have control of your money, yeah. You see, I said, so Sean money took care of the whole family, friends, you know, mom's boyfriends, X, Y, and Z's. You see, I said, she probably took loans, you know, against his music, you know, selling royalties, all of these stuff. You know what I mean? I know when he's grown, you know, one for the big man thing and him can't. You know what I mean? So it's a sad situation, you see me. But me just giving a quick update what I want for that to go on your Z. No, me just want to give a quick update on this Vanessa Bling situation. Because, you know, we started this whole mixture when we said that, you know, Vybz Kartel wanted to propose to Vanessa and she had a miscarriage, and that made Vybz ex-Marcherie come out and said the boss a lie. Him tell her, say, I dash the girl, dash way to Pitney. You know what I mean? And, you know, she told Cranium, you know, Vybz Kartel, you know, took advantage of her like Diddy did Cassie. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And, you know, Kartel did confirm this years ago in a song titled Ungrateful. When him said it, dirty dog, ungrateful, she down there pudding and the sweet and all of them things there, and he was talking about Vanessa Bling. You see me, I say, so no man Cherie posts up a picture with she and Cranium, you know, proving that, you know, the two of them is tight from way when. Because, you know, a lot of people has Marjorie as a bitter ex. And she has all right to be, because she sent them a pony picture to Cartel. You know what I mean? Yeah, when him there prison and thing, and them come out and choose. Sit them. So, you know, girl heartbroke, girl scarred, girl I do what girl I do. You know what I mean? But me just giving them a quick update. You see me? Yeah, let's proceed.
On a fucking bathroom mirror. 20 sticky notes on a bathroom mirror with different shit wrote on them. And then when you go in the kitchen, it's 20 more sticky notes on the fucking freezer. Like, why are you writing sticky notes? Why can't you use your fucking mouth? You want to get on live and talk about everything else. Why can't you come to me? I'm in the same house as you. Why can't you come to me and tell me how you feel? You feel me? That's what really got me mad, bro. That shit got me pissed off because it's like, bitch, you childish as fuck on my mama. But you want to say I'm child. How the fuck am I childish when I try to have a conversation with you? You feel like you got to put your hands on me. What the fuck? Come on, bro. She bust my lip and all, bro. I swear to God, bro. She hit me in my shit right here and all. I swear, man, merch chat. She hit me in my shit and all. My whole shit bleeding. I'm like, bro, here we go again. She trying to put, you feel me? Come on, bro, my dead cousin. Mind you, all this because I'm having a conversation with her. As I'm talking to her, she steady saying, oh, leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. If you keep talking to me, I'm going to put hands on you. If you keep talking to me, bitch, you can leave. You can leave. Call them, come pick you up. Call them, come get you. What?
Okay, people, I just want to give an update on internet sensation Ivani and her boyfriend. As you can see, everything is loving with the couple. You know what I mean? I don't know, I ended a month first in a month and rent I for pay. You know what I mean? And you know Rosalie and Akeem, them I run the place, them down the beach. I do kissing and all type of foolishness, you see what I say? So there's creators them is out here creating content and I sell them. Putting in the comment section if you need to believe that these two were really going at it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, let's proceed. Now, speaking about relationships, it's definitely a good look to see the women still holding it down with them one another. We're talking about reggae artist Coffee and dancehall Queen Spice. Because you know, her birthday was there, and you know, homegirl couldn't make it to the bestie weekend and thing. So she just pop up and surprise her on stage and give her one birthday cake, isn't it?
Little louder! Little louder!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Little louder! Listen to me! When I say SB, you say Spice! SB! SB!
Spice, I just want to say to you, as another Jamaican woman coming up in the music industry, you have always been an inspiration to me. Everybody want me know when they around me, my team, my family, my friends, them, we all love you, we all support you, we love your music. I wanted to offer you, well look, the cake I don't mind, the flowers, I wanted to offer you these, just to give you your flowers, as a fellow musician, and as a woman, and as a legend and icon that you are, and the light that you are in this world. Yeah, we just want to bless you up. Make some noise, Spice! Happy birthday, Spice! Give it up for Coffee. Coffee, I love you! Oh, what kind of secret fan this? Me and Coffee are secret fan of each other. And nobody don't know this. I love you, my sister. Oh, thank you guys so much. I didn't even tell you it was my birthday. Thank you guys for that. That was beautiful. Thank you.
Coffee's here to give me my flowers, but I tell her I she sing what I'm a song.
Me and my friend, I'm a talk and think. Never realize me not certain.
Hey!
Like me out of place and think of me not do them the freaky.
Hey!
Me not take no golden shower. Head this for me, no boy could never. I don't go have me and I'm a customer. We know if you're back there, say we are the one. If we are the one, we don't go take it back.
Find the vanilla black and see which one. Thank you so much. Vanilla black. And then maybe you can help me with my oozers.
When you see me come out, me no fuck and don't know. Pussy no battery out, so me whole casky no. Give me way, bet me talk out and me clean mouth. But
Because I've been traveling. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
What are you allergic to, Spice?
Colin.
So you don't have anything with pollen here?
Thank you. So this, I'm supposed to put something inside of it? Yeah, you can put that. What is it? That's a stone.
Beautiful. Anyway, people where I cut, make sure you do the right stuff and subscribe and hit the notification bell there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. Bless.